Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Mamelodi TV, it's the Petro Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch 0. I'm joined by Umabuda. I'm Nandi.
Sharp. What is Champion 3, Sundowns 0, man?
Champions 3.
Stellenbosch 0. Stellenbosch 0.
Sana champion.
Antona sama champion.
Yeah.
Pegale different thing It's like a table mountain. You can't climb it.
Yeah.
Or Mount Everest. You can't even climb it.
No man.
Yeah. You can't climb it. Because you are Mamelodi Sundowns. Only Mamelodi Sundowns that can climb that Mount Everest.
Yeah. Hey.
Other than that, Aiki Timenga, even Real Madrid can't climb it.
They can never.
They can never. Only Mamelodi Sundowns, the best team in the country, the most successful team in PSL era.
Yes.
8 Champions League titles in a row. Respect that, yes, Chibo. Respect that.
I respect it.
Sundowns le.
It's Sundowns.
Mamelodi Sundowns le. Respect Mamelodi Sundowns.
Una message to Pirates.
Before Sylvia go Pirates, the Pirates idlale ngakhona. Unfortunately, abongile Chombo ukhohliwe ukuthi bamlande. Azochacha le yakhe. Makayitshachanga phela. Uchacha abongile Chombo. Mhlambe bazoyithatha. Manje angazi ukupha futhi abakufonelanga abajwaha.
Mebakabe.
Ujwaha akasho ukuthi ukuphi.
Akakhuluma.
Yazi ujwaha maruno mona man. Nabo PSG bekumele bakutshelile ukuthi hayi man, sikhohle ukubhadala
Wabongile
Chombo. Bazowina le yakhe. Manje abambhadalanga. Ife bebambhadalile bebazoyiwina le yakhe.
Injalo
Exactly.
Bayazi na.
Angekho yeah. So iSundowns idlale kamnandi namhlanje umonile uSales. Our 60 million worth it now. Sesiyayibona manje ukuthi i60 million besimthenge ngayo lo mjidi. Iyasebenza manje. Iyabuya. Uyadlala lo mjidi. Defensive umonile ukuthi beka defender kanjani?
Quality.
Attack beka dangerous. Ama pass wakhe, iscan sakhe, technical awareness is very good at goal. It's very good. Very good. So we are Sundowns angeke basenze next intwana. Siyofaka istar sesithula.
Bayathanda abathandi.
24 sesifaka lesitala. Lesitala siyasifaka.
Bayathanda abathandi.
Another thing ngifuna ukuyilungisa ne. Uyabona manje iBetway Premiership Trophy asekayiboni. And the league is coming to an end. Asekayiboni uyayazona. Ayazi. Manje the problem hayi abakayikhiphi. And manje ngisho iBetway Trophy asekayiboni. Ikhona? Mina maranga kayiboni. Mina ngibone yini? Ngibone iice. Hayi mina ngakayiboni. Ngibone le ice eliphethe abokhila. Ngimele ngenze basinikeze lona. Angibathembi labantu. Le ice lena ebeliphethe abokhila. Ngenze basigaye lona labantu. Banejelasi kwale awuthamba. Usola bayikhiphi trophy. Angazi why. Because the trophy is Sundowns. iBetway sayithatha baze bayikhipha. Baze bayikhipha yabona. Manje bakhiphe iBetway nayo soyithatha siyithathe baze bayikhiphe. Maybe kuzobuya iBitVest or kuzobuya whatever. Nayo soyithatha futhi baze babaleke. Lama trophy lama sponsors siyawabalekisa baba. Deyoshanga khona. iBTS ibalekile.
Hey ndoda.
iAbsa ibalekile. Selokhu sithatha. Manje angazi ukuthi bazolithanda because thina start iBetway for the first time, the second time next season, the third time until God comes.
Until God comes back.
Exactly. Until God comes back. This is Sundowns, Baba. 8 times in a row. You have the 8 times in a row. It's not 10. It's like Chiefs and Pirates combined. But we never 4-4 in PSL era. Sengutshela ngerecord match. The Chiefs win a 4. Yama Betway. Yama League titles. The Pirates win a 4. Uma combine yenza kahle. Mokomana those trophies combined. 8. iSundowns win 8 in a row. Not collectively.
Malabansalute.
Hayi kwali. Yazi imidlalo eMzansi ayisithandi. Ifuna ngathi yonke into eyenzeka eMsodre. And akusinjalo. Kune-Sundowns this country. Erula this country. Nge-football phela. Sirula la ibhola. Ngebhola phela. Uyayibona njengamanje siya ku-Club World Cup.
Yeah.
abayi bona
Hey, ndoda.
sidlala i-Champions League final abase appreciate as Sundowns and this is wrong equally and lento le basinikeza ama blessings as Sundowns ukuthi siyenzeni siye high
ngomana wabo
ngokwali yabo basinikeza ama blessings so faka isitase sesithu njengoba ngitshela la bathanda abathani so faka isitase sesithu ntwana la
thank mabuda
shosho ntwana
eish
kabuyelo
ta